was about 6 in the morning and we were going to go have breakfast at about 7. We're in like a lodge, and mostly everyone's showering. I managed to get my own single room. Have a look. Little mosquito net. Ensuite bathroom. And there's my door. Yeah. Small, but it's lovely. I love it. There's a lot of singing going on, and you might be able to hear it in the background. Might not be able to either though. But we leave to go on the walk at about 8 o'clock, and then I think we actually begin the trek at about 10 o'clock. So yeah, I'm super excited. Can't wait. Come on, Chris. Come on.
I could actually throw it up there.
I wouldn't.
John, how are you doing with your movie?
My movie? It's alright. Plastic case. Discreet.
Yeah, you haven't got a waterproof case, have you?
Fuck you.
So when you rain, what are you going to do?
Oh, disgusting language.
This is a family video. This
For the grandkids.
Yeah, this is meant to be PG, man.
Yeah, that's like 15 now, isn't it? It's gonna be R-rated, baby.
Pain of your life.
How do you feel?
Well, that's a GoPro broken.
No, that's the
First world problems.
That's the
No, I'm not saying it's developed world problems, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, let's say first world. Hi, how you doing? I'm feeling
Greetings!
Greetings.
We
From the
actually
bottom of Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, you see the gate there? Yeah, just behind Chris's big head. No, I'm joking.
Charmy gate.
Don't cry.
Let me take a selfie.
Alika. Are you ready, John? Are you ready?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
No,
how you doing?
Harika means hurry the hell up.
We're ready. We're gonna do this.
We're not going to do this. We're finally going. What has felt like a 2-hour wait at the gate to get our permit. Chris can't wait to get going.
But Chris is in fact too excited to be going.
This is poly, isn't it?
Polly.
This is poly.
Polly.
We've just been told off to go Halika, which means hurry.
We're in the jungle.
You feel like one with the
Welcome to the jungle, we've got fun and games. Hi.
There we go. Hard.
What's up?
Yeah, we finished already. It's pretty good, isn't it?
I feel really sorry for selling to all these people.
Yeah, it's quite warm for the summit actually. I was expecting it to be freezing. We're in shorts.
They say that.
I'm just waiting for predators to come out. This is legitimate rainforest. Lacking a bit of rain, just a forest. It's got tall trees, so I mean.
We're up on quite a steep bit now.
Yeah.
It's quite like.
And there's lots of potholes. Yeah.
I was going to say we've got trip hazard now, which is a nice little addition.
Like little steps they made for us. Not specifically for us, but.
The rest is in your bag. Bad idea.
Remember who you're sharing a tent with tonight?
Yeah. It's just a video. I got you.
God
So
damn it.
how's everyone doing after lunch?
Alright.
That was nice lunch. We got some free chicken.
Yeah, free chicken.
Only got
Some
one sandwich though. Half toasty, yeah. Half a Twix.
toasties. We had toasties, Twixes, and chicken.
Well,
So
Camelback
And
has
very
started
small
to
bananas.
and
The pasty thing.
awkwardly small bananas. Not a sexual reference.
One girl made a sexual reference about small bananas, but
Yeah, that was just inappropriate for this hike.
she's quite small herself as well.
Takes one no one, I suppose.
Oh, we're starting another video vlog, are we? We're halfway through one, we start another one.
We're halfway
I'm just
through.
mixing it up. See, Astron's taking one at the moment.
Yeah, we're gonna film each other. We're vlogceptioning. Vlogception, is that a thing?
Someone's taking a vlog of a vlog. Now you've got to watch the vlog back and take another vlog.
Behind the scenes.
How you doing, Zoe? Yeah.
Kidding.
So it's the camera.
No, fuck off.
Go, you let the camera do.
No.
That gives it more justice. Video is so much more better than camera. Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Are we actually near there now?
15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
We're out of the rainforest.
Wish I was listening to a bit of ABBA right now.
I am the dancing queen. This is Chrissy's tune. I've run out of water.
Oh, what?
Have you?
Yeah, I've struggled.
Good effort.
Haven't you got a litre bottle yet?
I'll put that one in as well.
Oh shit.
Thirsty work all this mountain work.
Chris, where's your selfie?
It's because it's not his. That's the only reason he didn't realise. He just doesn't give a shit.
Gets in the car and drives. In his head, he's like,
Good selfie there, man.
Yeah.
yeah, it's a good job Jack thought, yeah. Otherwise you would not have a go. What would you do if you couldn't take selfies?
He'd use someone else's. And this isn't even our campsite. And there's a hut. Do we get
managed to build a hut.
Do we get the hut?
Got the hat.
We're special. Yeah. We made it.
How's it going?
Alright?
Yeah.
You feeling good about
Me and
making this
Jack gonna
camp?
have to stick our feet out because these tents are way too short. I don't think they're long enough.
You can totally diagonal.
That's where
Top and tail diagonal. Yeah.
That's the first day done. I'm feeling good.
I'm feeling good actually.
I'm feeling
Only my
pretty
shoulders are quite sore, but apart from that,
I
it's
feel,
not
after the
that bad.
bag's off, it feels so much better.
But
It's one of
I'm
those
cooling
things-
down, so I'm like literally quite cold already though.
Yeah, especially starts to move a bit
As
more.
soon as we stop, plus my t-shirt's soaking. Oh my god.
All I know is my back is like very wet.
Feel my back.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Wow.
I scratch your back, you scratch mine.
It's not how this business works.
Ring out
I don't know
otherwise.
if the camera can capture all of that, but that's
That's not too bad.
the surrounding.
I just did.
Probably,
Don't do it again.
Have we got a bin?
Really, are we even on a mountain?
Nicer than my flat.
First world problem.
Well, no, day one over.
Yeah.